Hello, it's Fiona from GoPhysio and goPilates here, and I just wanted to give you a whistle-stop tour of the app and the program that we have in place to help you manage your classes. So basically you would have been sent a link to log into this or to download or access this when you joined us, and we use an app called TeamUp. I will put a link to that in the comments below. So basically once you've signed up, the best place to start is in your forms and waivers, because what this will do is mine are all completed, so you can see that it's complete, but if there are any that need completing, and that might be emergency contact details, it might be terms and conditions, and it might be just a health questionnaire. If there's anything that needs doing, then you can do that there, and what that ensures that you have really easy access to everything on the system. And if we go back over here to my account, what you can see there, the most important bit probably is your upcoming registration. So this is all of the classes that you're registered to. If you've got a regular membership, you'll automatically be put on your chosen class every week and you'll see them there. So what you can do from here is, as you can see there, I'm on the wait list for that. If I no longer want to be on the wait list, I just click on leave, and that will say, would I like to leave that wait list? And that is yes. Now, if I show you how to register for a class, if you go onto the schedule, and if I scroll down to this week, so you can look at it either on a monthly basis, a weekly basis. So if I'm looking at the week coming up, let's, where are we? That's next week there. This is the week coming up. And I wanted to book on to Monday at 9 o'clock. I click onto that one there. I find my membership. So I've just got a free staff membership there as an example. It will tell you how many you've got left to use this month, and that's all set up based on your membership. It will tell you who the instructor is, and you book now, and that's it, you're in. Okay. If I book another one as well, and then you can see there that I'm registered there, I'll book this one here. Book now. And then I will, let's have a look at one that's got a waiting list. So for example, this one here, if I wanted to go to that, but this class was full, if I click on join waitlist, it will pop me onto the waiting list. So that's really important that we use this waitlist facility, because we often get people who can't come to classes. We do ask for at least 6 hours notice if you can't come to a class, and that means you'll get your credit back for your class, but that means other people can then make use of that class with the waitlist. So if I go back up to my account, what you'll see here is all the upcoming classes that I've got here. So these ones I'm attending, and this is what I'm on the waiting list for. And as I say, if you're a regular member, they'll all be on there anyway. And we always ask that if you can plan ahead, because your membership runs month by month, if you plan ahead, what you can do then is make sure that you leave any classes you know you can't come to. That puts the credit back on your account so that you can then book any makeup classes. So as a reminder, for just say, I know I can't go to that class, I click on leave. Yes, that unregisters me, and that puts that credit back on my account. So I'm now currently on a wait list for this one and attending this one here. Other things that you can see under your My Account is what memberships that you have or may have had. You've got a reminder of your registrations that you've got coming up. You will also have any payments, so you've got receipts of payments you've made and pending payments, so anything that's coming up. This is where if you've completed any forms and waivers, they'll be here, so any terms and conditions that you might have signed online. This bit here is handy, so this is your notifications. So this, you can select whether or not you want to receive any notifications, so for any receipts, any waitlist announcements, any changes in classes, and any change in courses, which you don't need to know about that one because we don't run courses through this, but they're useful as well. And then if you need to contact us, here is our contact details. So that is basically it. And so it really is as simple as that. So all your classes will appear on your upcoming registrations, and you can either leave the class or you can book extra classes through the schedule here, and it will only let you book as many classes as you've got on your membership. And that's why it's really important that you give us 6 hours notice if you can't come to a class, so that your class credit goes back onto your account and that you use them all within a calendar month. If you can't do that, do get in touch with us at Pilates at gophysiotherapy.co.uk, and we look at each case on an individual basis. So if, for example, you're not well or you've got a holiday that spans a couple of months, we do try and accommodate you wherever we can. So yeah, you can contact us and that's absolutely fine. Hopefully that gives you an explanation of how to use the desktop version. We also have an app, and I will do another video that will show you how to use the app.